What's up, everybody?
Right?
Hello.
We are on our way to go hiking this morning. Well, actually afternoon, because we just woke up late.
Woke up late, y'all.
Sometimes you just tired, you just wake up late, all right?
I didn't get up.
It don't matter. We gonna go hiking. This Cedar Hill, what is Cedar Hill State Park.
Well, there's a lot of beautiful scenery,
And you can get lost though. We got some cameras, we got microphones, we got everything to keep y'all in tune, all right? Y'all stay tuned.
Yeah.
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 A lot less than when we started. Cause everybody couldn't see it. Remember they was talking down. Now they can't get in the building.
No, they can't get in the building.
Then nobody give directions.
Ain't nobody give directions.
So I had to use my feelings.
Here we go.
I finally found an elevator. Hey, they told me that I wouldn't make it. I'm just thanking the creator. All the sauce and extra flavor. This a song for everyone who gave up on me. Was supposed to fail, but after all, I still made a D. D for dog, off the chain like no slavery.
Cedar State Park.
Yes.
Hello. Good. How are you doing?
All right, so we gotta go in and try to get some trail maps to figure out where we hiking at. So it looks like we're taking the Dorba Trail.
It's right here.
The Dorba. 3 miles.
Scenic.
Perfect.
The level is challenging, so we're not weenies. We're going on a challenging trail. We're here, so we'll have to. Yep, right here.
Oh, nice. It's close to
So
the
we
water.
gotta go to 5. It is
Perfect.
close. It'll be cool. Oh, let's do it. Hey.
So we're on our way to the Dorba Trail to hike this. It's about 3 miles, so it takes about an hour and a half to hike.
Out here. Down there for the lake view. It's a nice little roundabout.
turns already.
RV area. You can already tell.
Are you giving the right directions?
I'm trying to read this
We
map,
getting
but I'm not
lost
good at
already.
reading
We just
maps.
came in here.
I think
What you doing?
we should go.
What you doing back there?
I'm just looking at the map. I'm trying to figure out where we are.
We gotta go
Do it
back to the
again?
entrance.
So we gotta go back to the beginning.
Yes.
Yeah.
Y'all remember they said that. I'm not
Y'all remember she said that.
I
not
didn't say
sure
that.
it is back to
You got it
the
on
beginning.
camera. You
Wait,
said
let
it.
me see the map one more time before we
Okay.
go back.
It is right. It's at the entrance.
When we came in, right? We made a right, correct?
Yeah, so we were going this way.
So if we would have made the left, we need to go back down.
This is what happens.
We need
I
to go
told
back
you.
down.
Here comes your junction.
Says
Where?
to the right, site and perch pond.
Oh, okay, I see where. Okay.
Take that map back. Don't be trying to. Oh, yeah, I got it.
I got it now.
Okay.
We figure out where to go. We just made the wrong turn at
I
the
was holding the
beginning.
map wrong.
Left day use area.
All right, y'all. We have arrived at the trail.
Oh, no,
6
this
miles.
is the
But there's no 6 miles.
No 6 miles. So this is long one? Yeah. This ain't the
How you
long
know which
one,
one's the
bro.
6
This
one?
is the shortest one.
Okay.
There we go.
You don't know something. Just tell them you don't know.
Hey.
Cactus.
All right, y'all, let's have fun. All right.
Someone's a little grumpy.
So far, it looks like a pretty good trail. Hey, it's not even hot. It's in Texas.
Remember the tunas that we looked at the Mexican market? The fruit?
Oh, yeah.
That I told you it had seeds? They grow out of cactus. It's these here.
The what?
They grow out of a
I
cactus.
didn't know that.
So these little, they grow bigger, but they
Eat
get
one.
purple. No, it's not done.
Ooh. You hear that?
Dang, it's quiet in here. You hear that? That sounds like a rattler. You hear that?
Well, I think fruit.
Look, listen.
Dun, dun, dun,
Hear the
dun,
rat?
dun, dun.
That's a rattler. Gotta be. Make sure you look down.
So we're on here and everyone thinking they're hearing rattlesnakes. It's kind of funny.
Right.
Right? It's
Mountain
so
bike.
slim.
It's a tooth. Saber tooth.
Fossil.
A saber tooth. Watch out, a bike coming.
Excuse me.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Swim over there.
Oh! Woo! That would be fun. How'd they do that? You think they own that? Or
Yeah, they probably are. Where you gonna pay for it?
So that way you won't. Oh, hey.
How you doing?
I'm thirsty, but I don't want to drink water because
But it seems like 15 minutes in, already tired.
I know.
Huffing and puffing.
Only because
I need to
it's
get in
hot.
shape. Now it's hot. Before, it was like, what, 85 or something?
Yeah.
Now it's like 100. 100!
We're not close to the water, so we don't have that breeze.
Really, wait?
looks. Ew.
Let me see.
That's what it is?
Yeah. But whenever it's purple, it has a better taste. See how I told you it has seeds? You spit out
Oh,
the
yeah.
seeds, but you just eat the chew on the green the stuff. Let me
I
smell it.
wouldn't mind. I mean, if we were
Yeah,
stuck
that's
out
what
here.
it tastes like.
Try it.
No, we got
I
like
don't-
2 miles left.
I don't trust it being here.
Out here? Because it's 3 miles. So, running 3 miles.
Takes like me 30, 40 minutes.
Mile, so
Yeah.
I'll be bored.
We back where we were.
Are we?
How does that work?
Didn't we
it
see
could
them?
be that little turn we did. The U-turn?
Y'all, this is all new.
It's new.
Nothing.
This is new?
Yeah, I was just getting you.
Oh.
Can we eat these things?
I
Try.
don't know.
I should have brought a knife or something. You know, pocket
It
knife.
looks like those big fruits at the Asian market.
Oh, the jackfruits.
Uh-huh.
They're smaller.
Where we going? This way?
Keep on going.
Okay. So now we're at a path. We don't know which way to go, so we're just gonna go one way and see where it takes us. All right. This way. Lead the way. What happened?
I'm trying to find my way out.
Let's go down that way.
Tell me why we're the only ones.
Attitude, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Gotta say you made it.
What you said last night. Attitude.
Yes.
You are
Babe,
having a good
what'd you say
time.
this morning?
And
My
we're
attitude.
enjoying it.
Attitude.
Uh-oh.
Going to enjoy
A
this.
warning sign.
What does that mean?
That means turn
That
around.
means turn red.
Bears.
Blood.
Bears
and blue. Huh?
I would get stuck with two
That's
guys.
probably a good thing.
That's a
rather
good
than
thing.
Two girls
You wanna-
get eaten.
All girls. No protection.
Dang, that was sexist as mother. We edit that out.
Ain't gonna say that. Edit.
Keep your feet up.
Oh, we're going to Little Red Riding Hood house. Little Red Riding Hood. You here?
The wolf might be.
We're gonna rest for a second.
Look at that.
It's hot. I'm tired.
Oh, I see. Look, 8 and 12.
Oh,
So we are going the right way.
Told you.
how you doing, babe?
I'm good. I'm just hot.
Just hot.
I'm
Sit
sweaty.
on.
How you doing, Brandon?
Yo, I'm good. You know, all day we do this. You know, out here we really be out here. Like we do this. It's been amazing.
I don't do this. I'm tired. I gotta sit down. I'm ready to eat.
I am ready to eat though.
Someone was
That's
in
the
the
good thing
military.
about popping on the internet.
I know.
Weird
Game.
online computer game. But everyone was playing it. Everyone was playing it. It's like early 2000 when it was like internet and all that was really taking off.
AOL.
Give me my 250. This is nice right here.
It is.
Hey, that's 2 breakfast sandwiches.
It is.
Hey, low key. I can't believe Hardee's is doing that.
3 people.
I feel like we're getting close. Then again, feeling good.
Just stop telling me. Let's just go.
Huh?
I said stop saying that, Brandon. Let's go. Make me lose hope.
I know.
Y'all better keep hope alive.
All right, y'all. We made it back. You all right, babe? You good now?
Yep.
That's the MVP of the day. Right there. We are back. Uh-huh. We are back. Whew.
Give me some more. Where's that?
Now we need some water, some burgers, some fries, all the foods.
I feel Brandon.
All the foods.
I'll drive. Oh, you have the door open? I'm not
It was?
going tomorrow.
Y'all, we is out there and what?
I'm on about
It's 101 degrees.
I couldn't even feel the car moving. That's how tired I am.
I'm on about to whisper. It's like this, son.
Like what?
Like this.
You and coffee?
Like this.
So we gotta stop and get coffee before we can go eat.
Where is it?
Look at these chapped lips. I am
My coffee
dehydrated.
snobs, you know about that life. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get it in. I ain't had none the whole day. What time is it?
It's 2:30.
It's 2:30. I ain't had coffee.
You still want coffee in this hot?
Heck no.
Think about Brandon.
It's
He
gonna be
always
ice.
wants
It's gonna
coffee.
be ice. And you
Good thing
gonna
about
like
not having
24/7. This
Try
man wants
something out that
coffee.
you like.
101 degrees outside. This man wants
Coffee is life.
coffee.
Coffee with ice?
And you know who
We are like
co-signs
this,
him?
son. We are like this.
What?
Her.
I
So
love
you
coffee, but not
know
in this
who
heat.
co-signs
Our house
him?
up there on the right.
I do. That's cute. Can I park here?
No, you can't. No.
Maybe I'll leave ice.
I got my coffee. Got that coffee. I don't see who drinks coffee at 2.
Sorry, but you don't like sweet stuff.
This the dog you want?
Oh, wow.
But it was a puppy.
Oh, that's...
Cute.
Wait, how big them dogs get?
Get big.
Dang.
They're giant.
got Jimmy's Burger. You know me, I get that Texas double burger. What'd you get, baby?
The chicken fried chicken.
What you think?
We got them seasonings. Them seasonings.
Thank you, Lord. Oh, I'm sorry, God. Oh, thank you for the school. In Jesus' name. Love you. Amen. Come on.
Oh yeah.
Show it.
Oh my gosh. I can't eat all of this.
Wow. Show it.
Bruh. Oh my gosh.
Get
Trying to kill me.
Huh? Oh man. What you think?
Look at this. This is the stuff you see on those Instagram posts. When people be posting their food and their burgers, this is it.
Oh man.
Look at this. Hold on.
We can hurry before our food gets cold.
Get in the car, I'm hungry.
Open the door. It's hot.
You hot?
Remember that.
See where I get it from?
Remember that.
Who do I get it from? It's infectious.
Y'all think y'all funny. Y'all think y'all funny. Okay. That's alright. Wait till that right moment when y'all ain't expecting it.
Oh, that is too funny. Should I go to the back with me? Or should...
This is one.